Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. So firstly, just open control panel and disable all unnecessary features. For example, if you are not using mobile data right now, disable it and use only Wi-Fi. If you are not using Wi-Fi but using mobile data, so just disable the Wi-Fi, disable the Bluetooth if you don't need it right now, and location services if you don't need to use maps right now or apps that needs GPRS signal. Disable hotspot, disable NFC, and disable the Mi Share, disable maybe sync and newbie share. And as you can see, I have enabled and sync, of course disable sync. And as you can see here, I have battery saver. So the next step to improve battery life is to enable the battery saver. In this mode, your smartphone will live longer, but now I'll show you how to do it using settings. So next step to improve battery life is to open your settings, scroll down and find display, and disable the dark mode. Why? Because on XIAOMI 12S Ultra device, you have LED screen, and it means that your screen was created by thousands of micro LED lamps. And in dark places, so lamp can't create the black color. Okay, so if you see black color, it means that your lamps in this era are just disabled and not consuming the battery power. So if you want to improve battery life, just enable the dark mode. Then scroll down and find your refresh rate and use default, not default, but use custom and use 60 Hz. Using 60 Hz, your screen will be maybe not too smooth, but in this way you will improve your battery life because screen will not consume a lot of battery power. Then choose resolution, scroll down and use Full HD. Use Full HD, not Quad HD. You don't need to use Quad HD if you don't want to watch Quad HD 4K HD movies on your smartphone display. So if you will watch videos on YouTube, you don't need Quad HD, so you just need Full HD. Okay, so just enable Full HD. You will not detect the difference in normal life. Of course, if you want to watch movies in Quad HD with HDR video, so of course, yes, enable Quad HD. But in normal life, it's just consuming your battery power. Okay, so great. Go back, scroll down and find battery here. If you have disabled all unnecessary features and you know that you have now too much percent of the battery, of course you can enable save battery mode. Enable battery saving mode, and in this mode your device will live longer, as you can see, but you can enable ultra power saving mode. In this mode your device will live too long as it possible. So enable this mode and great. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. I hope this video was helpful for you, and bye. See you.